So for the recap, we discussed 14 topics, mathematical techniques for physics and chemistry. So these are the algebra and arranging equations, significant figures, rounding numbers, operations involving fractions or rational expressions, operations involving decimals, percentage calculation, scientific notation, units of measures and dimensions, conversion factors, dimensional analysis, variations and proportions, understanding graphs, and geometry and trigonometric function. I know we discussed for 4 hours, but I know it's a lot of information, but I hope you will retain or you will review these following items on your spare time before your examination for you to be able to ace your physics, chemistry, and especially mathematics. So first, the laws of exponents. So there are 7 laws of exponents. So these are the multiplication rule, the division rule, power rule, power of product rule, power of fraction rule, zero exponent rule, and the negative exponent rule. So there are 5 laws of radicals. So these are the identity rule, wherein the nth root of a raised to n is equal to a. The root of a product, root of a quotient, root of a root, and the fractional exponent. Next topic that is very crucial for you to review or revisit is the rules of significant figures. Especially this is for physics. There are 8 rules of significant figures. All non-zero digits are significant. Zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. Leading zeros are not significant. Trailing zeros to the right of a decimal point are significant. Trailing zeros of a whole number with a decimal point are significant. Exact numbers have infinite significant numbers. So number 6 is more on constants. So like Avogadro's constant. So for scientific notation, n raised to 10, n times 10 raised to m, the first 6 rules applies only to the n or the numerical value of the scientific notation. And in calculations, significant figure will only apply to the final answer. Next is operation on rational expression. So there are 4 operations, of course, but the crucial thing is the addition and subtraction. First, you have to determine if it's similar or dissimilar. If the rational expression is dissimilar, first find the LCD by looking for the LCM or the least common multiple for you to yield the least common denominator and proceed as if you're just performing addition or subtraction and similar fractions. Next, multiples of units. Again, please revisit the site. As you can see here on your screen, it's vitaco.com/units conversion tables for the complete conversion tables that you will need during the examination or familiarize with. Again, as just discussed few minutes ago, please do not forget the Pythagorean theorem, which is a squared plus b squared is equal to c squared, or that c is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. I think this is the last. Again, the special triangles will aid you on physics and computing for the angles. So again, please do not forget SOHCAHTOA and for you to populate the trigonometric table. So again, let me share the trigonometric table. So this is the trigonometric table that you will need. Okay. So I think that is the end of my lecture. I hope everyone learned a lot.